fellow eggheads. This is Liz. Today I'm going to show you how to put LEDs on your laptop the quick and easy way. The kit I bought is in the description down below from Amazon, and the laptop I'll be using, the link for that is also down below. If you find this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and follow for more great content. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in this USB connector to the lighting strip, and then after that I'm going to cut the lighting strip to size. But let's do it step by step here. First I'm going to plug it in here. What's great about the USB connector is you can either connect it to your laptop or you can plug it into a separate wall outlet. So next, one of the reasons I like this is it has cuttable strips. As you can see where the little copper is, those you can cut to size. So I'm going to cut it to the size of my laptop like so. And then I'm going to remove the little protective strip that reveals the glue, and I'm going to go ahead and place it on the laptop like so. Excellent. It fits great next to the little rubber protective strip. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug it in the laptop, and then we're going to turn it on and we're going to see how it looks. Power button. And check it out. All right, now let's cycle through some of the colors to see how it looks. Let's first look at it with some of the different colors with the lights on. As you can see, I have this wonderful little remote, and I can select a color, and then that's the color that will show, which is, in all honesty, pretty, oh, oops, gotta remove the little plastic thing first. But as you can see, hit blue, hit purple, orange. Let's try it with the lights off. And as you can see, lots of options. They all look great. Or you can just leave it on a color, or you can just cycle through the multicolor thing for a little while there too. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.